And what's going on, everyone? We are looking at Soundpeats, and these are brand new earbuds, wireless earbuds from them. And we have the Opera 5 and the Opera 3. We're gonna go ahead and check this out and see what the difference is, well, and let's see how well it does. So here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. And if you wanna see more videos like these, make sure to hit that like button as well. And if you wanna get one of these, I'll link this down below. Let's open this up. Brand new knife as well from Leatherman. Very nice. Let's open these guys up. Everything is still on Kickstarter if you are wondering. So that's really cool. We can open up, products that are not even out yet. This is the Opera 5 right there, as you can see in the bottom. And the Opera 3 right there. So it says here in the back that it has Bluetooth version 5.3. The working distance about 10 meters and the playtime is about 9 hours, which is really awesome. Let's open this up. There it is, the Opera 5. Very nice packaging. The difference between the Opera 5 and the Opera 3 is that the Opera 5 has 2 balanced armature driver, while the Opera 3 only has 1. And also the difference is the color. There it is. In this case, the Opera 3 is the rose gold trim there, and the gold is the Opera 5. It's gonna leave these up here so you guys can tell which one is what. Let's look at Opera 3 first. It does come with multiple ear tips. It has the smalls here and the large. The medium is already installed on the earbuds. It also comes with the USB-C cable. And then here we have the earbuds, and there it is. So the earbuds has this rose gold on the front, USB-C slot on the back, so you can see there. And when you open it up, oh, we have the earbuds. The earbuds are also rose gold. Really good touch by Soundpeats. It is also magnetic. Look at this. Very nice. It won't come off if you accidentally drop it. Let's try these on now. Little shake test. Very nice. Won't come off. And what do you guys think? Does it look good on my ears? Very nice, isn't it? Let's take out our phone here and see if we can sync it to Bluetooth. Soundpeats Opera 3 right there. And that's it. Now it also has an app called Soundpeats. It'll search as well right here. And as you can see, it's able to see our earbuds right here. On the app, you'll be able to change the volume control, the preset as well, a custom equalizer right there. It has active noise cancelling is really nice. Normal mode, okay, yeah. Faster is nice, yeah, you'll be able to hear your voice, and you'll probably be able to hear the person that is talking to you, which is really nice as well. There's also the disable touch one click functionality here if you need to do that. Let's test this out now. Let's see what kind of functions it has. So double tap is pause. There it is. That will bring up Siri if you hit 3 times on the right side. As you can see there, very nice. Now if you tap and hold the right side, it will go next. So far it does sound great. Let's try out the Opera 5 now. So on the Opera 5, same idea. You'll be able to have extra buds. As you can see there, the large and the small are here, and then the medium is already installed on the earbuds. It also comes with the USB-C cable right there, and then the earbuds itself right here. As you can see there, it's the earbuds right there. You open it up. It has a gold trim as well, which is the same as with the earbuds. In the back, it also has a USB-C slot, as you can see there. And the side has a pair button. Let's try these in our ears now, see how well it does. Whew. Oh yeah, fits really well, same as the Opera 3. Just like the look of it, as you can see there, it's more gold now. And as we could see on our Bluetooth here, it says right away right there, Opera 5. It's able to connect right away. And again, it's compatible with the Soundpeats app. And you'll be able to download that here. And as you can see, we are connected with the app as well. Same idea here, it has volume control, preset as well for the equalizer. Or you can customize it yourself. Same idea as well as the other one. It has ANC mode, normal, and transparency mode. Yeah, the ANC is really nice with this one. I would really recommend this for people who loves to have, go on a transit system or something like that, or maybe you're in school and you just want peace and quiet. You'll be able to use it with that. And again, disable touch key, one-click functionality. There it is. Let's try the sound now for the Soundpeats. Again, it comes with touch controls. Like double click would play and pause it. Either side would do it as well. There it is. Very nice. It also comes with Siri if you 3 times it. There it is. It'll bring up Siri either way on both sides as well. And there it is. If you want to hit the next song, all you need to do is press and hold on the right side. And as you can see, it's going to go to the next song. Now we're going to go to YouTube here and test out a few things. For example, like a bass boosting song. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh yeah, it's good, man. It's nice. I feel like this is a better, because of the dual driver, the hybrid dual driver. It does really work well and a little bit better than the single driver. You'll see, you really hear the difference. It's awesome. Again, do the shake test. Boom. Now, for Soundpeats, I would definitely recommend this for people who loves earbuds. And if you're into the new tech of the Bluetooth 5.3 and also the dual hybrid system on the earbuds, it'll pump out a lot of bass as well and treble, and your music would just sound better with these. If you want to get one of these, the link is down below. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to hit the like button as well, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.